Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we have this HP tab, and you can see I have already opened it. Actually it was opened already. Any technician before worked on it to fix the dim display problem. Let me show you the problem. You can see here this capacitor was short, I think, and this is already replaced. This resistor, current sensing resistor, also replaced, and here is a jumper, but still there is a dim display. I checked all the sections, there is no shortage anymore, but still having display dim. Let me show you what was the problem. Here you can see this point is connected. Here is the fuse actually, and before technician make jumper on it, it's okay. But what was the problem actually? You can see here. You see this point was damaged. This point should be connected with this capacitor, but it was broken from this side. You can see the blade is going to inner side of the print, so it was damaged actually. That's why the supply from here not going to the capacitor side. So this problem I found, and now I will make this print and connectivity. After that we will see if display is working properly or not. So guys, you can see here I make soldering on it. I connected this point to the capacitor. So now we will check it. I hope this will work. This will work now. So let's check, and we will verify. So I have connected the Type-C charger, and we will see now. Now I hope display will come inshallah properly with backlight on. You can see backlight is active now and display is okay. Thank you very much for watching the video.